months ago, I reviewed one of the most unusual AI gadgets I had tested, the Looki L1, and since then, I've actually continued using it. At first, what fascinated me was simply the concept, wearing a tiny AI camera that quietly captures moments throughout your day. But after the novelty wears off, I think the more interesting question becomes, what do you actually get from something like this? Document your everyday life over time. Because recently, I went back through some of the moments Looki had captured. Ordinary things like working on videos, going for walks, driving, eating out, spending time outdoors, and just going about my normal routine. And there were genuinely little details I had already forgotten. And I think that explains this product better than simply going through another list of features. Looki L1 is an AI live memory camera, and after living with it for much longer, I want to show you what that actually means in everyday life. The fundamental idea behind Looki is still incredibly simple. You attach this tiny device to your clothing, enable auto mode, and then basically continue with your day. The device, I attach it, I press the button,
Start capture,
and I go about my day. Unlike pulling out your phone whenever something interesting happens, Looki captures selected first-person moments hands-free while you're actually experiencing them. And that's probably the biggest difference between Looki and a normal camera. If I'm shooting a YouTube video with my Sony camera, flying a drone, or using an action camera, I'm deliberately creating footage. With Looki, I'm not really thinking about creating anything. I might be working on a video, driving somewhere, walking through the city, having lunch, spending time outdoors, or riding an electric motorcycle. Looki is simply there in the background. And after using it for this long, I think those completely ordinary situations actually make the most sense for this device. Big events are things we usually remember and probably film anyway. It's all those little moments in between that tend to disappear. But capturing those moments is only the first part of the experience. What makes Looki unusual is what the AI does with everything afterward. The journal brings together captured memories and details from your day into personalized recaps, while PIE, the personal intelligence engine, acts more like a proactive AI companion. And this was already one of my favorite parts of Looki in my original review. Instead of waiting for you to ask something, PIE notices what's happening around you and occasionally gives you surprisingly relevant information. I've had it remind me about an event happening nearby that I had completely forgotten about, recognize that I was eating at a Chinese restaurant, suggest taking a stretch after I've been active for several hours, and give me suggestions based on local weather. It has recognized that I was driving a Toyota hybrid, commented while I was assembling an electric motorcycle, and even noticed when I was filming with a drone and suggested that the forest trails would probably look incredible from the air. Individually, those are obviously small things, but that's kind of the point. It notices details that you may not have actively been thinking about, and over time, that makes the device feel less like a wearable camera and more like a little AI companion following the context of your day. And this is probably the part of Looki that makes more sense to me now than it did when I first started testing it. Normally, when I record something on my phone, it goes into a camera roll alongside thousands of other photos and videos. Realistically, most of them I will probably never look at again. Looki takes a different approach. Instead of simply giving you another collection of files, it uses those captured moments to build something you can actually return to. There are moment recaps and journal entries, and Looki can automatically transform your memories into daily comics and auto vlogs. The comics are still probably the most visually interesting feature. The AI takes moments from your actual life and recreates them as these detailed comic-style summaries. Sometimes you can zoom in and recognize surprisingly specific details from what you were doing that day. Auto vlogs do something similar with video, automatically bringing selected moments together into a recap without requiring you to sit down and edit everything yourself. And after 2 months, I think I understand the appeal better. It's not really about whether these AI-generated outputs can replace something I would professionally edit myself. Obviously they can't, and that's not what they are designed to do. It's about making ordinary memories easy enough to revisit that you might actually look at them again. So after living with Looki for much longer, has my opinion actually changed? I think the biggest difference is that I understand the purpose of it better. When you first see Looki, it's very easy to look at the camera and immediately compare it with a GoPro, an action camera, or even your smartphone. But that comparison doesn't really work. Looki isn't designed around getting the highest image quality or creating cinematic footage, and it isn't continuously recording everything you do. It captures selected moments while its AI-powered capture mode is enabled, and the real product is almost what happens to those moments afterward. You capture something without interrupting what you're actually doing. Looki notices the context and details around those experiences, and later it gives you different ways to relive them. Capture, notice, relive. That's probably the simplest way I can describe the entire Looki experience now. Of course, a wearable camera also comes with an obvious privacy consideration. Looki is designed for transparent, consent-based capture rather than secret recording, and it uses a privacy light and system sounds to provide visible and audible indications when appropriate. So a privacy feature is that once I hit that AI recording button,
Start capture.
it gives an audible notice that it started capturing. Once I hit that button again, it tells me that it has stopped recording. So you're not going to record people secretly, which is a good privacy feature for others. They're not being captured secretly, which is very important. And obviously, whenever you're filming or recording other people, you need to obtain their consent and follow your local privacy laws. That's something worth keeping in mind with any wearable camera, especially one designed to become part of your everyday routine. Overall, after around 2 months with the Looki L1, I actually think the concept makes more sense to me now than when I first reviewed it. Initially, the AI features, comics, and proactive notifications were what immediately grabbed my attention. But with longer-term use, I think the more interesting part is simply having a record of ordinary moments that I probably wouldn't have intentionally filmed in the first place. Looki L1 is an AI live memory camera, and I think that description actually fits it very well. It's not trying to replace my phone, my professional cameras, or my action cameras. It's doing something different, quietly capturing selected pieces of everyday life, noticing details around them, and then giving you a way to return to those memories later. And if you're someone who enjoys documenting your life, family, travels, routines, or simply those small everyday moments that are surprisingly easy to forget, I can definitely see the appeal. If you want to learn more about the Looki L1, I will leave the latest links and information in the video description down below. And as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you in the next video soon.